Now for our ribs, line up the ribs parallel to the board. Look for the longest bone. Okay. One straight cut through. Look square up. Last bone here. And your St. Louis ribs are done. Make a slight score along here. Take the back of a spoon, knife, fork or whatever. Go under the bone. Wiggle it around. It loosens up. Get a paper towel to have a good grip. And pull it back in one go. Next we make our marinade. 2 tablespoons of mustard, 10 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of caraway seed, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This is a good mix to make a nice paste. If it is a little bit too dry, we add a little bit of oil. A little bit dry, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Nice consistent paste. Now we cover the whole thing with paste. Good rub on all sides. Don't forget the sides. This goes now in a plastic bag. Wrapped up. This goes now in the fridge for 18 to 24 hours, and tomorrow we see you on the smoker. Getting a 92 plus still, so we are ready to take them off. Now we have the first tasting. now comes the final part, tasting. Comes off the bone, perfect.